Okay, today was a quick and fast day, trading day. Not gonna lie, today was not my best day. The execution or the trade wasn't really like the confluence I used weren't bad. It just, I don't know. I could have been more patient. That's the main takeaway from this day is could have been more patient. I mean, I took a trade 10 minutes into market open. I was originally looking for longs to take out, to use this hourly high as my take profit. I wanted to be bullish because we were kind of retracing and we're kind of starting this uptrend to get back to our levels that we've been deviating from. You know, we had a big bearish day yesterday, and so, or honestly, the start of last week and the beginning of this week just kind of been bearish, and I thought we were ready to try to go back up in price a little bit, and so yeah, we saw a attainable high right here, and with that we had um, then we had a hourly, well, before market open we had an hourly high time frame SMT, a bullish SMT. So I probably should have kept that in mind still, but as soon as market opened, we took out our draws on liquidity, and who knows, we should have probably just called it a day after that, because that was our main key level we were trying to target for a take profit, and so if it got hit, we should have just called it a day. But I was trying to enter this trade. I thought, what I was seeing, okay, we just swept London session lows. London session highs. We got a clear liquidity sweep. We got clear displacement out of it. We get this inverse right here. We retrace into this fair value gap. I entered right here. And yeah, it just did not play out at all. Try to catch this low on the bottom. Other confluences that we had a 5-minute SMT. Could have waited for a retrace, but I didn't wait for a retrace like I usually do, because I was just rushing it. I wasn't patient enough to wait for it. We also had something else. What else did we have? Yeah, I just simply saw we swept London session highs, and I thought wrong. I thought we had a good setup to just quickly take out these lows, like really quick. I was just looking for like a quick scalp, but obviously didn't work out. If we would have waited for a retrace, we wouldn't have gotten an entry. So yeah, definitely not my best day. Pretty disappointed in myself, because we didn't really, I can say that we pretty much didn't really follow our strategy today, or we didn't wait for enough confluences. That's the main thing. We didn't wait for confluences. Something to learn off of. Definitely a bad feeling losing a trade that quick and this early into market open. I was done for the day 15 minutes into market open and taking an L. I would like to be done that quick, but not taking an L. So yeah, back-to-back losses. I think it's been kind of a little minute since I lost back-to-back losses, or had back-to-back days as well with back-to-back losses. Definitely not a great start to the month, but we have a whole month ahead of us. I can't get mad or disappointed in myself for the rest of the month. You know, I can be disappointed in myself right now, but I can't let it carry on to the next day and to the next week and etc. So still have 2 trading days for the week. Like I said last video, if I lost today, I would have to go down and risk. So now, from now on, until I create a better buffer for myself, I gotta be risking 250. So today, I was risking 500, but I kind of put it down a little bit just to put it aligned with this, I guess, as well, and also aligned better on the chart. So risking 250, I have four trades in a row. I could lose until I blow the account, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else to say. Just gotta be more patient. Patience is definitely my biggest flaw. Either that be patience in waiting for the setup to even play out, patience in waiting for my strategy to present itself, and just patience. I need to work on my patience, and just in day to day, like I don't have the best patience. Like if I'm waiting for something and I'm just so like I get mad easily or impatient easily, and I just can't wait that long. I need to focus on building that patience, and it's probably because I try not to be on social media that much, so I can have a better attention span and all that, but I really need to get my patience better, because it's really holding me back. So yeah, that's really it that I wanted to say. Yeah, pretty disappointed in myself right now. I'm not gonna lie, but I gotta move on. That's it. So, God bless.